Yesterday we had a tutorial on market structures. That is how we can use market structures to benefit from the market massively. And I used this pair yesterday, AUD and ZD, during the tutorial. Then I showed us how to actually analyze the market to know the exact place where to place our first order, then how to follow the market up. The things that I called the parameters that we need to be looking out for. Remember, by the time we started the tutorial, we said that in this way we had our first higher low. Then we had the first higher high here, followed by another higher low, then followed by another higher high, then followed by another higher low, then followed by another higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and on like that. Okay, we had some other entry points, okay, of which I picked one, okay, yesterday night. By the time that the market opened yesterday, this entry came up. We could see the candle, a very good candle that came with a high buying pressure. Like I told us yesterday, the candle closed very well, okay, and actually engulfed this candle very well, okay, followed immediately by pin bar. But by the time this one closed, I placed another buy order. The other two order position that I showed you yesterday, those one are coasted into profit. As is then the bull are beginning, a kind of upper hand. And as you can see from this way, you see that the bull candles are closing very well. Up, up, up. Okay, we saw another pullback here, just a minor pullback. And this should have been another entry for us. Okay, but I didn't pick it. This should have been another entry for us. Okay, you can see a kind of, engulfing bar here. Still a pin bar, although with a longer upper wick and relatively bigger body, but still okay to enter the market anyway. So in this place now, if you can look, you just look at it very well, you see that those two orders that I would place, one here and one here yesterday, those one are already in profit for us. Okay, and today, the one I placed today also is already going deeply in profit. So guys, there's no any skyrocket something here, science in this thing. Once you are able to follow the those things that I told us yesterday step by step, you will benefit from the market massively. Okay, all other most of the other AUDs are still doing very fine because AUD is very strong now, and I have positions in most of them. Okay, some of them have hit our take profit today. All right, like for instance now, I think I bought this one in the morning. AUD USD, okay, that's 300. Another one is AUD card, and AUD again 219. Then another AUD again, GBP AUD sold 183. Okay, all right, and okay, so those one are the one that we had today. The one we have been trading before, I think one was on the 30, and the other one on the 28 or something like that. Let's see if you can see any one of them. I don't want the video to be long. You should be looking at the profit by the right hand side. I showed us some of this thing yesterday. Okay, I'm looking. Okay, all right. This was one that the trailing profit activated yesterday. By the time the market opened and the market gapped down. Okay, that also is another indication that the bull is in control. The gapped down, the gap was closed immediately, as we can see from this place. Can you see? It gapped down. We saw it gapped down something here, and the gap was closed immediately by this candle. Okay, all right, guys. So let's try as much as possible to. This is just an update to see where we are. Okay, all right. God bless us.